Welcome to Lekki Pride 1. You know, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3. But this is our first project around Ajah in this axis. Ajah is just 2-3 minutes drive away from this place, because from that gate is going to Lekki Epe Expressway, and one can turn and you can navigate your way to Ajah. So if you are looking for a perfect home in the axis of Ajah, Lekki Pride 1 is your best bet in this axis. Is a close knit. We are not too much here. Yes, it's a close knit that has duplexes and apartments for sale. All these duplexes you are seeing are sold out. So let me quickly give you the snippet of what our showroom looks like, so that you can see that we pay attention to every details. Not just that, because we are selling off plan. We are selling off plan to give you the best off plan price that you can ever see in the market. So let me quickly show you the video of what we just delivered, so that you can know that we are a reputable company, and anytime we tell you we'll deliver, we'll deliver. So sit down and watch this. Welcome back. I believe that you've seen what you like. Yes, how how we were able to set the place. This is what we just delivered here. Yes, we did allocation and the rest like a month ago now, for most of our clients that subscribe to the duplexes. Some subscribe for semi-finished and some is fully finished. So we need to do a showroom to show them what we are going to deliver to them. So meaning that we have you in mind at any part. Like I said, you can only see this one at Lekki Pride 2, which is on Ogombo Road, but the sales is on hold now. But here we still have apartments selling. I will take you where our apartment is. 3-bedroom apartment is sold out. What we have here now is 1-bedroom apartment and 2-bedroom apartment, and we've done a very good work, tremendous work. We've passed our soil tests, we've done the piling. It's for the building to be going up. So if you're looking for a reputable company that when we tell you that we'll deliver for you so period of time, we will actually deliver for you. We are not company that we are selling off plan and you cannot see anything on the ground. We sold this you are seeing today off plan, and we've delivered to people that bought duplexes from us. So if you are looking for a reliable company, we are one of the reliable companies that you can work with. And like I said, 1 and 2 bedroom is available on off plan sales. We'll deliver this next year too. And come and see here, we are working, and there are some we need to go there so that you can see what we have here. This estate is sharing boundary with Royal Garden Estate. So if you know Royal Garden Estate on Lekki Epe Expressway, immediately you descend the Ajah Jubilee Bridge. That is Royal Garden Estate. This estate is sharing boundary. So Royal Garden resident is your neighbor. You can see that when you are talking about serene environment, at least Lekki Pride 1 tick that box too. So all these duplexes you are seeing around is sold out. And we have apartments here. 1 bedroom we have here is going for 36 million naira, and the 2 bedroom is going for 40 million naira. And I can tell you, this is the cheapest in this axis. I know what 1 and 2 bedroom is selling for in the axis of Ajah. And don't forget, this estate is 24-hour security, 24-hour power supply. So you cannot compare this estate to just apartment that they build on the roadside or on the streets. This your security is guaranteed. You cannot just see anybody coming to your house uninvited. And we've put everything. We have our estate shopping mall is there, the crèche is there, some exciting amenities in this estate. So if you are building estates, is a community, and which we know that it will be beneficial to you. So you can see what I am saying. The soil test, we've done everything. We've passed the soil test, the piling. You can see everything is going up. This is the time to take advantage and opportunity of this. You can see what is on ground. So you can see we are not company that will just take your money. You cannot see anything on ground. This is it. With initial deposit of 5 million naira, you can subscribe to this and you can spread your payment for 12 months. That is 1 year. Can you see? The last time I was here, it wasn't like this. See the progress. This is what I'm telling you. And the rental value of any property, 1 bedroom, rental value here is around 1.5 to 2 million naira, depending on the finishing of the 2-bedroom apartments in Ajah Axis. The rental value in an estate, I'm not just saying one community that they build 2 bedroom there, in an estate. This is a service estate. The rental value is different from any other place. You'll be renting this 2 million to 2.5 million too, depending on the finishing. So we have a good parking space for you here. Not that when people will be disturbing themselves, you know, when you are getting an apartment, you need to call your neighbor, come and move your car. This one is not going to happen in this estate. This is an organized estate. This is Lekki Pride 1 in Ajah, sharing boundary with Royal Garden Estates. So with initial deposit of 5 million naira, you can subscribe. 1 bedroom is going for 36 million naira, and the 2-bedroom apartment here is going for 40 million naira. I want you to pick my number showing on your screen. You know that I am your best realtor, your best blog. When you're looking for a realtor in Lagos State that do not tell you any lie about this, look at it. Look at it. You can see what this thing looks like, our piling, what it looks like. You know, the time you want to buy, this is a state that you will know whether what they are using is inferior or not. We are doing everything to make sure that this thing is up to the standard of Lagos State. So at all the level, Lagos State government, they come here to come and test everything. So this is the time to buy. My name is Olashile David, and I want you to pick my number showing on your screen now to subscribe. With 5 million, you can subscribe to this and spread the rest. I know that maybe you might have a lot of houses in Lagos. This one too can be part of your investment. It's not necessarily that you should live there. Invest, because Ajah is a margin market. Imagine you collect 1.5 rental value this year or next year. Can you imagine what you can collect in the next 5 years? Maybe that 2-bedroom, be renting it for 5 million naira, because everything is moving towards this side. So that is the secret. So this place is a margin market. Pick my number, call my number now. Pick it, is on the screen. You can see it very well because it's boldly written on it. So I will be expecting your call. Don't forget to subscribe and to turn on your bell notification. So anytime I post any of my video, you will be the first person to see it. Look at Lekki Pride 1. The time we started last year, it wasn't like this, and everything is taking shape. You know, by next year, this estate will be fully functioning, and you can see that this is the best investment you can have for yourself. And for the Christmas gift, this is the best investment you can do. I will be expecting your call.